Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another Temu haul. I'm really excited. Make sure to subscribe and let's go ahead and get started. I'm just gonna dig in this bag and grab whatever I can see and just pull it all out. So the first thing I see are these. These are some slides that I bought. They're like really nice in my opinion. And they're this beautiful like baby blue color. I will definitely be rocking these. I am so excited, you guys, for those. But I got a lot of makeup products, so let's dive into those. First thing I got was this eyeliner. I'm gonna swatch it for you. Here's the packaging. It's beautiful, and it's just like a pencil gel liner and very pigmented. Look at that. That's so beautiful. So this is in the color 09. It's like a teal whatever color, so I'm really excited to use that. And then I got this, which is a shower cap. It's for when you don't want to wash your hair every day and you just want to wash your body in the shower. I got a shower cap because these are reusable and these are amazing if you want to go longer between washes for your hair. I also got this little headband. This is like whenever I want to pull my hair back and I don't want to like get my hair in my face while I'm washing my hair or while I am doing my makeup. So let me show you guys. It's gray and it's got a little bow on it and it's very stretchy. I like this. Most of them are kind of tight, like they don't stretch out a lot, so this is nice. I like this. And then we got some makeup. Oh my gosh, here's an eyeshadow palette and this is the packaging. It's from Pop Feel and I'm excited. Let's open this. It's got very broad and cute eyeshadows. It's got some brights, it's got some browns, it's got some reds. It's really nice, okay? And I think I can make a lot of looks with this eyeshadow palette, and let me swatch them for you guys. So that's what that looks like, and I mean, it's kind of pigmented. Let's get one of the brighter colors. I mean, it's buildable. I mean, Temu's makeup isn't gonna be like top quality because it is cheap makeup, but it will get the job done. If you're new to makeup and you don't want to spend a bunch of money on it, this will definitely get the job done. I like that. And then I got this. I have no idea what the heck this is, but we're gonna open it up and find out. Oh, this is a liquid blush. So this is in the shade 02. And it's pretty tiny. Basically, it's just a little liquid blush. You open it up and it's got a brush and you just dot it on your cheeks. Kind of similar to the Rare Beauty one that I use from Sephora, but this is a cheaper version and I'm excited to see how that works. And then I got this and I'm, you know, don't even know what this is because I just order a bunch of stuff when I'm like half asleep and then I get it in the mail and I'm like, I don't remember ordering this. That's just how I am. So this is a metallic eyeshadow, and oh yeah, I got two of these. So let's open these up and let me show you what they look like. So they're basically just like really like pigmented eyeshadows. This one is the golden shimmer brown. Let's open it up. It's just like a one shadow thing. We're gonna swatch it. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's very pigmented. Whoa, look at that. That's very pigmented. And I do know that I got this one in another color. So let's find that. And then I also got this eyeshadow palette. It's like a little like a gimmick of like a Hershey's chocolate bar. It looks like this, so cute, and it says eyeshadow. And when you open it up, it's so tiny. And it's got these eyeshadows. There's some pretty browns in there. I'm really excited to use that. We got another eyeshadow palette. What's new? I ordered a lot of eyeshadow, I guess. And they always wrap it up in like bubble wrap, and they really take their time and make sure that they wrap their stuff up. So I'm not gonna complain about that. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. It's like a little acrylic case and it's little bears. It is so cute. Anyways, it's like browns and shimmers as well. Here is an Age Reset Erase Dark Circles concealer. And you basically just like rub it on. This is kind of like the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind type concealer. I'm really excited to use that. I got this. This is just a makeup eyeliner. This is a black liquid eyeliner. I've been needing a black liquid eyeliner, so let's hope that one works well. Then I got another colored eyeliner, and let's see here. I got a lot of makeup, you guys. This is it. It's like a darker blue, and that's what it looks like. And let's see. It's right there. That's pretty. I like that. But I really do like this little teal one better. We got that other shadow like this. And this is, I believe it's like a reddish golden brown. Yeah, so it's like a reddish color. And we're gonna swatch this. And they're like super creamy. Holy crap, it's right there. That's super creamy, and that's definitely gonna last a long time. They have a great consistency. I'm really excited. You don't even need a freaking brush to apply that to your eyes. Last but not least, I got a new backpack. This is just a Victoria's Secret hot pink backpack. I needed one because I use them for school. I mean, I might use it for some other purposes, but for now I'm going to change out of my North Face backpack that I've had since like freshman year, and I'm going to use this one. So yeah, that is everything from Temu. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.